Okay, all right. So tonight we're gonna go over homework number 70 for Tuesday. All right, Valentine's Day. Let's see. Okay, all right. Here it says interpret features of a proportional graph. The next two. Okay, all right. So let's go to the questions. All right, let's see. Interpret unit rate. All right, there we go. Okay, all right. Let's take a look. Now let's see. All right, another gigantic question. All right, Rashawn practices the piano the same number of minutes each day. Okay, the relationship between number of days. So down here, as you can see, on the x-axis is the number of days. On the y-axis is the time practice total. So days versus the total time. Okay. Now, there are 2 points A and C are labeled. All right, what statement about this is true? Well, let's see. All right. Now, this you actually just got to read the choices. Okay. So point C means that he's doing 4 days per. That makes no sense. How do you do 4 days per minute? That makes no sense, right? Is that right? Number of days, right? Per day, right? Number of minutes per day. Yeah, that's what this means. Okay. So choice one is nonsensical. Two, point C means that the unit rate is 40 minutes a day. Is that true? Point C means that the unit rate is, point C is not the unit rate. So that is not true either. Point C is not the unit rate. It has to be one down here, right? You see what I'm pointing at right here with the red circle, right? Okay. Um, what else? Point A means that the unit rate is 10 minutes per day. That's true, actually, right? 10 minutes per day, right? So that's A right here. I'm pointing at it right here. All right, look at the big red circle. Point A means that there's 10 days per minute. That's a completely nonsensical statement again. All right, so 10 minutes a day, that is true. Yep. All right, now let's do the next one. All right, calculate unit rate. Okay. All right, Ashley's gotten a new job. The relationship between the number of hours she worked, X, and total earnings, Y. So look down here. All right. So down here it says number of hours. Now notice the number line isn't labeled. Okay. Not the worst thing in the world because this point is labeled. That's the most important thing. Okay. Number of hours and then how much money she makes. Okay, makes sense. Now here the point is 8 comma 140. So what does that mean, right? 8 hours. Let me get the pen. So it's 8 hours down here. So this is 8 hours, and I'll use a different color. I'll use another kind of pink because it's very 90s. So that's money. All right, $8, $440. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if that's relevant to the choices that we got. All right. Now she's not making 140 an hour. All right, doesn't say that on the graph. The unit rate's 8 hours per dollar. Nonsensical. For every dollar you work for 8 hours, that's insane. Okay. Unit rate 17. Okay, so we just got to figure out, is it me? Oh, that's per hour, that's per dollar. Okay, so let me just, I'm going to click on this first. I'm going to double check. So 140 over 8, right? So let's see, 140 divided by 8. 17.5. Yeah, 17.50 an hour. Okay, so that's it. All right, let me submit this. And that's it for today, right? Yeah, that's it for today. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday. All right, bye now.
OMG, that was so good.